Hello, friends. Today we have a book about baby farm animals. Baby farm animals written by Garth Williams. Baby sheep is called a lamb. He likes to run in the grass that grows in the meadows. Baby cats are called kittens. They love playing on the farm. At night, the farmers give them cow's milk and they curl up together in the big red barn. Baby Rabbit lives in a hutch, which is her tiny little house. She sniffs noses with the kittens and puppies because they're all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig stall? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby Donkey loves to eat juicy carrots. He's sitting down because he's tired. Somebody's trying to make him stand up and follow those carrots tied on the end of a stick. I know that trick, he says. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They swim in the pond with their white, webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim? They ask the little chicks. Baby chickens are called chicks. They cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of water, they reply. Baby pigs are called piglets. They love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, which is called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother. Help, help, help. Baby dogs are called puppies. They stay in the stable close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big cat. They growl and bark at it too. Baby goats are called kids, just as little boys and girls are. They try to knock each other down by butting their heads together. Their father has horns and a pointed beard. Baby horse we call a foal. She could walk the same day she was born. Now, after a week, she gallops. When she's 2 years old, she will be a beautiful horse and she will be able to carry a rider on her back. Perhaps she will even win a race. Baby Pony is taking Kitten and Puppy for a ride. He's a Shetland pony, so he will not grow very much bigger. Baby cow is called a calf. She says, Moo, it's time for lunch. The end.